Welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this video, I'd like to discuss what are the top 5 disadvantages of buying the iQOO 3 right now in the 2021. Yes friends, right now the iQOO 3 is available for about 22,000 rupees in the iQOO website if you try to go there. And a lot of users are actually asking me this kind of question, is it worth it to buy this phone or not? And for every phone there's advantages and disadvantages friends, but you should know what are the disadvantages of the phone before you actually buy it. Is it okay with you or not? That is the reason I thought of making this video, which will clarify a lot of other users' confusions and everything. So I did already upload a video as well friends, so is it worth it to buy or not? So make sure to check that video why it is worth it to buy. And this iQOO 3, there's a one major disadvantage. First thing is about the not as a future-proof option in terms of the connectivity. So there is no 5G connection at this moment because the offer is only available for the 4G variant. If you try to look at the 5G variant, the price will go up to 32,000 rupees. And for 32,000 rupees, we are getting better deals with other smartphones. So that's not an option. So for 4G, you are not having that kind of 5G connection in this kind of 22,000 rupees. So that's another major disadvantage. Next is about the display. The display of the iQOO 3 is only 60 Hz. Yes, only 60 Hz, but some of the users are really convinced like to use 60 Hz. But if you use higher refresh rate before, or if you want to try, you can definitely try your friends' phones and you will feel a lot of difference friends. From 60 Hz to 120 Hz, a huge difference will be there. And right now I do have the 144 Hz. I can definitely feel a lot of change from 60 to 144 Hz. That's the kind of thing missing in the 2021. That's another drawback in this phone, because nowadays we are seeing 10,000 rupees mobile phones also getting released with 90 Hz refresh rate, maybe close to 120 Hz in the 12,000, 30,000 range. So that's one next drawback which I did face in the iQOO 3 device. So next is about the not having the dual speaker setup, because the phone has got only single bottom facing speaker. Yes, single speaker, and there is no dual speaker setup. That's another thing, but we do have the headphone jack. That's a good thing. So next is about the software updates. If you buy the phone right now in the 2021, how many years you can actually expect the software updates? I think how many upgrades? So right now we do have the Android 11 update at this moment in my device. So the device came with the Android 10, but now right now it's 11. So maybe we might see Android 12. If you buy right now for about 22,000 rupees, you might get only Android 12. That's one thing you should definitely be that. So other phones, they can get up to 13. Android 13 as well, whatever the phones released recently. So you need to definitely check with that. So next is about the build quality. I mean the weight of the phone. This is the final thing friends which I thought of concluding. The weight of the phone feels really heavy. Trust me, the reason why I'm saying is because the phone screen is very small. I mean 6.4 inches screen, and for the screen, the body to screen to body ratio is very high. I mean in terms of the weight. For the small screen, it feels really heavy weight. So if another phone, for example 6.7 inches screen size phone, if the phone has got this much of weight, you would not feel that much heavy. But in this iQOO 3 device, I can actually feel a lot of heavy. Yes, it pains a lot when you're trying to play with the single hand. So other phones, if you take the iQOO 7 device itself, which is of 204 grams, so you don't feel that much of heavy weight even if you're using this much of weight, because the screen is very big and phone is also very big. That is the reason you won't feel that much heavy. But this iQOO 3 feels a lot of heavy friends. So these are the things you should definitely consider buying right now in the 2021. So the main thing is about software updates as well, and that's some other concern about this iQOO UI. So because other phones iQOO, they do have the Fun Touch UI. Now they're using the iQOO UI only. And some other things, for example, all the bloatware and everything get installed in this phone, and there are a couple of other reasons as well why a lot of users are actually hesitating to buy the iQOO 3 at this point. Maybe the phone comes with the previous sale. In the first sale, the phone released, I think maybe 3 months back or 2 months back, we got the another discount sale for about 18,000. Maybe for the 18,000, it's kind of really worth. But for 22,000, we do have other options as well. So just think about this before actually buying the device. Thank you for watching this video friends. These are top 5 advantages which I thought of just letting you know before you actually spend the money on the iQOO 3 device. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.